Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 2011 Suzuki Boulevard C50T. This is Suzuki's mid-size cruiser / touring motorcycle. Has the 805cc fuel-injected V-twin 5-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Very low miles on the odometer. Only 1,718 original miles since 2011. This bike is all stock and in very good condition. Runs very good. Comes stock with factory white wall tires. Comes with a nice windshield, backrest, saddlebags. This bike is set up for the comfortable long haul. Fuel injected V-twin, runs very good. This bike's a very good deal at only $48.95 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach it at 408-730-0600.